Let me show you a simple trick how you can use two WhatsApp accounts at the same time on your iPhone Air. So as you already know, basically iPhones actually do not have a dual app setup like we can actually get, for example, on some Android phones. However, there is a simple workaround. If we go in the App Store, we can simply search for WhatsApp Business. Okay, so this is like essentially another WhatsApp app that's especially designed for business users. But again, so any person can use it, so you don't actually have to be a business to be able to use it. So essentially it functions pretty much like normal WhatsApp. The only thing is, if someone basically tries to add you so as a contact, they will see that you're actually using this WhatsApp business account. So apart from that, so there isn't any real difference. So you can open up basically this WhatsApp business and you'll be able to set up. So enter your phone number as usual. Good luck.